guys, so I'm going to solve this Leetcode medium problem today called top k frequent words. Given an array of strings words and an integer k, return a k most frequent strings. Return an answer sorted by the frequency from highest to lowest. So for this problem, every time you see a top k frequency, you want to use a heap. So I'm going to use a max heap in this scenario because we want to return the maximum, the top k from highest, sorted by the highest to lowest frequency. So in order to return the answer sorted by frequency from highest to lowest, I'm going to create a heap array, and then I'm going to create a counter, which is basically a hash map that denotes the frequency of each word. So for word and words, I'm going to increment the value, basically denoting the frequency of each word. And then I'm going to loop through the keys and values of the hash map counter. And I'm going to push the negative value, because I want to create a max heap. Push the negative value into the heap. And I'm also going to push in a string, push in a key, because we want to sort the words with the same frequency as well. So now I'm going to have a result array, and then I'm going to loop through the result array k times. Loop through the heap k times, basically returning the k most frequently shown words. So I'm going to pop out the max element from the heap. So this is going to be value, and then string equals heap q dot heap. And then I'm going to append a string to the resulting array. So this is faster 32%. Excellent. Thanks, guys.